Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best impact drivers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Ryobi P236 ONE+ impact driver. The Ryobi ONE+ is a low-cost impact driver that delivers excellent performance. Even though this tool costs 40% less than our top pick, it delivers more torque than the Dewalt DC825B. Not only that, the ONE+ runs on a Li-ion battery. If you consider the cost of the tool, battery, and charger, buying the ONE+ is the better choice. Then, why isn't this our top pick? To understand the reason, you have to take a look inside the machine. If you look at a blown-up model of the DC825B, you'll see that the power from the motor goes directly to the hammer assembly. In the case of the ONE+, a planetary gear system transfers the power from the motor to the hammer assembly. More moving parts means more wastage and less durability. Outside, the ONE+ makes up for what it lacks on the inside. The auto-load chuck, a magnetic bit holder and screw holder, comfortable grip, and an LED illumination light are all extremely thoughtful features. In addition to all this, the product comes with a 3-year limited warranty. In my assessment, the ONE+ is perfect for 2 categories of people: people who have never owned an impact driver and people who intend to use one intermittently. If you fit into one of these 2 classes, then look no further, the ONE+ is the tool for you. Moving on at number 4. We have the Dewalt DCK240C2 impact driver. If you are looking for the kind of complete kit that covers pretty much any and every job imaginable, you have reached the right place. The Dewalt DCK240C220V lithium drill driver impact combo kit has been designed to be the only kit you'll ever need for both professional and domestic applications at every level. Incredibly powerful and durable, both tools within the kit are also surprisingly lightweight. Designed to deliver maximum power and torque while preserving battery life, both the DCD771 drill driver and their DCF885 1/4-inch impact driver are guaranteed to go the distance. Better yet, the kit comes complete with 2 battery packs for maximum convenience, along with a stylish kit bag for storage and transportation. As you'd expect from the world-renowned brand, the Dewalt DCK240C2 also comes complete with an extensive manufacturer's warranty as standard. Great to look at, comfortable to work with and powerful enough to handle almost anything you can throw its way, the Dewalt DCK240C2 impact driver takes pride of place at the top of our list for a very good reason. At number 3, we have the Bosch 12V Max EC impact driver. We've found 12V, compact impact drivers to be super handy and useful. Bosch's 12V Max is no exception to that, as it's become a go-to tool for random tasks that pop up. A low-speed torque setting makes small delicate jobs, where overdriving a fastener can be a problem, worry-free. In our testing, the 12V Max completed every task, including driving 4.5-inch long, in-lag bolts, without pilot holes. It did drive slower, and work harder than a larger driver, but it did do the job. And to be fair, Bosch claims this driver is designed to cover 85% of the types of driving tasks on professional job sites. So, building a deck with it is not ideal, but building or hanging cabinets, installing drawer slides, assembling furniture, working on electrical boxes, and taking on any task in a confined space or overhead is fair game for this driver. At number 2, we have the Black+Decker 20V Max Impact Driver. Black+Decker's 20 volts max is a tool for the budget-conscious DIYer that has an occasional need for an impact driver. It doesn't have advanced features, or a brushless motor, but it does have the ability to get the job done. We used it to drive cabinet screws, long deck screws, and 4.5 in lag bolts into 4x6 in pressure-treated lumber. The lag bolts were a little hard on it, but it drove them in. We also used it to remove 5/16 in bolts, torqued at 20, 30, and 40 foot-pounds, the 40 taking a moment's hesitation before breaking free. The bottom line, if you have an occasional need for an impact driver, this one will most likely do the job without breaking the bank, and it has the best warranty at this price point. And finally at number 1. We have the Dewalt DCF887B 3-speed impact driver. You can run it on its first speed setting, 240 in per pound, for light operations. When things get a little more demanding, you can switch to its second speed setting, 1500 in per pound. Still not enough power? No problem, go all the way to the third speed setting, 1825 in per pound. Since the first mode runs at a low torque, you can use this tool like a drill cum impact driver. Instead of buying two separate tools, you can manage with just one. This is an indirect cost advantage if you don't own a drill already. Feature-wise, this model has a brushless motor, a one-hand loading system, an LED illumination light, a compact and lightweight design, and a belt hook. The brushless motor is a great addition. If you look at the internal mechanism of the machine, you will see how few moving parts it has. As a result of this, the machine is very durable. Unlike its 18-volt cousin, which runs on a NiCad battery, this tool runs on a 20-volt Li-ion battery. Thus, the battery and charger for this machine are mercifully less expensive. But they're still pricey. Since the battery pack is Li-ion, there are no issues with memory effect or self-discharge. So, the uptime of the battery remains consistent over time. Also, the Dewalt DCF887B comes with a 3-year limited warranty, a year of free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't own a drill, then consider buying this model. You get the benefit of two machines from one. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.